Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Email lists provide a direct line of communication with your followers, enabling long-term engagement free from algorithms or reach limits. In this video, I will show you how to effectively grow your email list on Instagram. Let's go. If you're looking for the best tool to engage with your customers, qualify leads, and boost sales more effectively with automated conversations, I've found the perfect solution. I have personally tested it, and it's incredibly effective. This program lets you automate responses to your Instagram posts and Reels, saving you the hassle of manually replying to every comment or DM. Instagram may be your primary focus for now, but this tool can also connect to other social media apps, including TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Are you ready to try it? You can click my link below to unlock an exclusive offer to connect with 1,000 contacts for free. The first step is to connect your Instagram account with the online tool. If you have already signed up before but skipped connecting your IG account, feel free to jump ahead to the timestamp where I explain how to connect it. Otherwise, here's what you need to do. From the homepage, click Get Started in the upper right corner and choose Instagram from the list of channels. You can easily sign up using your Google or Facebook account by following the provided prompts. After signing up, click the Go to Instagram button and log in with your account to set up the necessary permissions required by the tool. Remember, this requires a professional Instagram account, either creator or business. You'll need to switch your account type before continuing if it isn't set correctly. Do you already have an account but haven't connected your Instagram yet? Head over to the My Profile configuration page. Click Manage Accounts. Hit Add New Account. And select Instagram to start the connection process. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions when prompted to avoid any issues later on. After connecting your Instagram account, the next step is deciding where you'll store the collected email addresses. Navigate to Settings and go to the Integrations tab, where you can link tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, Kit, or even Google Sheets. In my case, I will use Google Sheets, but feel free to select other services and simply follow the prompts to complete the setup. During the process, make sure to allow the necessary permissions so that everything will work out perfectly with the automations you'll create later. Now, let's create the actual automation. To begin, go to the Automation tab and click New Automation. The best part is that there's already a ready-to-use template called Grow Your Email List. You can start building your list right away without having to create an automated flow from scratch. Since the template has a default sequence, all you need to do is edit its elements to fit your needs. First things first, set the trigger. By default, the template activates when a user sends you a DM. But if you want to select another, simply click When and choose other actions like when someone comments on your posts and Reels, replies to your story, and more. After that, set the keywords that will automatically activate the automation. You may add as many keywords as you like. Note that these are not case sensitive. Next, customize the opening DM. Use the default DM opening as a guide and paste your own text. Since you'll be collecting personal data, it's important to ask for consent first. Add buttons like Yes, I agree for consent confirmation, and a No Thanks option for users that aren't comfortable with it. Then set up the next steps for each button. For example, if they don't agree, you can send them a polite message and other comments you want to convey. And if the user agrees, set up the data collection field so they can type in the information you need. Select the Send Instagram Message element and enter your follow-up text. Next, add a data collection field in which they can enter their email address. Make sure to set the contact's reply type to email. Click Perform Actions to save the data to your Google Sheet or another integrated email service. Head over to the Action tab. Go to Google Sheets and select Insert Row. Note that your spreadsheet must have a title column in order to successfully link the file. In the ManyChat section, select the field from your automation to which you want to assign a specific column title. Repeat this process for each additional field that you have set up in your automation. Finally, save your changes, review your automation flow, and click Set Live to activate the automation once you're ready. Let's see it live in action. To trigger the auto response, I'll use the keyword guide in my message. As you can see, I received an automatic opening DM. Check out how the automated sequence works perfectly, just as I set it up earlier. Notice that the email address is also automatically inserted into my spreadsheet without fail. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.